I must admit that vision board is not a carving, but it is a great way to turn your vision into reality. It's a way to make concepts which dwell in people's consciousness become concrete and live. Today, I'll take you through this very vulnerable and vehement process to make a vision board that honors your soul and brings joy into your spirit. 1. Start with your dreams. Close your eyes. Picture the world you would like to live in. What do you see? Is it a thriving career, a loving family, financial freedom? Maybe it means having to go around the whole world. You can always draw the line wherever you please, and you should not be afraid of what people will say. These are the visions you create on your vision board. 2. Collect your inspiration. After that, exhibit items that would draw your attention. Rummage through remainders of magazines, reflecting on Pinterest, or create clippings which are related to goal setting. Select pictures, quotes, and words that make your heart flame up. You should feel happiness, hope, and determination when look at these visuals. 3. Choose a quiet space. Make the vision board at a time of day when there are no distractions and the place is calm and there is peace. This isn't just painting or sewing or knitting, it is worshiping. Get yourself in a position where you can light a candle, put on your favorite music, and close the door to the world, and those aspirations become very clear. 4. Organize your vision. Now you start putting the images and words on your board in the proper order. Think about the layout. Put more significant goals at the center as that show how crucial these goals are. Instead, they should be surrounded by other goals considered to be smaller, or more accurately, complementary. Bring in your memories and items that are close to your story. When arranging, though, let your emotional self be the benchmark. Experience the thrill when implementing each dream, as you put it down on paper. 5. Add meaningful details. You should also jot down positive affirmations, MDI, distracting mantras, or dates which are important near to the pictures. For example, underneath a picture of a house, write, "Home Sweet Home by 2026. Beside the travel destination, write, "Adventure awaits." These aspects help your vision board to be much more unique and concrete. 6. Make it visible. That's why you need to make your vision board something that will remind you of what you are aiming for every single day. Put it in plain sight where you can view it, perhaps in your bedroom, at your workplace, or right on the bathroom mirror. That way, when you see it often, it will remain fresh in your mind and keep you on track. 7. Engage with it daily. This step is vital. Every day, spend some few minutes imaging yourself living the kind of life depicted on your board. Imagining, laugh with joy, feeling proud, expressing thankfulness as if you are already accomplishing all those goals. This practice conditions your mind to expect the reality of your dreams. 8. Trust the process. Last, but not least, incorporate a belief in the power of your vision board. It's not simply posterity put into frames, but it's an act of manifestation. Go on striving with your goals with persistence out of the enterprise. Enjoy the progress on the way and don't forget to redesign the board as your goals change. 9. Involve your emotions. Fully vision board is not just about putting images on a paper, it is more about being emotionally involved with your goals. When working on it, you should be allowed to have a hold of the feelings that come with the goal. Now think of what that would feel like, to finally get to that level, to be able to live the life you have always wanted, and to be able to embrace the forthcoming chances. Passion is the driving force that turns your vision board into reality. You should feel inspired, hopeful, and let nothing hold you back when you look at it. This way you will have people's emotions to keep reminding you of your goals, especially during the worst moments. 10. Share your vision, if comfortable. But occasionally, it's a good idea to show your vision board to someone you trust will help you progress further. With your best friend or a teacher, with a relative or with your sibling, sharing your dreams means that someone is there to motivate and to check if you have followed through with it. Bear in mind, though, that it's your life and journey, which means you get to set the pace. Otherwise, just post only what you feel like sharing. 11th. Revisit and revise dreams evolve over time, and so should your vision board. Every few months, revisit it. Does your goal reflect what you want in life currently? Later on, you may ask the following questions. Have you attained any of them? If so, Then enjoy those accomplishments and edit your board to reflect new goals. A vision board is not a once-in-a-while thing. It is a work in progress as you go through your life's process. Keep it fresh and relevant. 12. Believe in yourself. In my opinion, the best thing about the vision board is in the degree of belief you invest into it. I encourage everybody to believe their dreams, belief in the journey, and primarily to believe in yourselves. That's why your vision board, it is to remind that you are capable of doing extraordinary things. Therefore, when you hit the ints, it's important to use your vision board as a tool and a reminder of what lies ahead for you, the endless possibilities. Let's take the first step of getting there today. If you are taking an active part in creating your vision board, let me ask you, what will your vision board look like? 13. Celebrate small wins. Your vision board is not only about the place of your choice, it has to do with the process involved. Keep track of all your successes, big and small, as you chase your goals. Every once in a while, it is good to be reminded that no matter how small, progress can be made on our dreams. For example, did you put together your first $100 toward a dream vacation? Celebrate. Were you on any course with regards to improving your skills? Acknowledge it. These small successes will keep you going and help you not to get lost or frustrated as you know every bit counts. 14. Stay persistent. During challenges, life will test you with problems that you cannot avoid, that is a fact. Some days you start work with grand dreams in your head and you may feel that you are not getting anywhere. During such times, what steers you are your vision board. I think look at it. Return to what you were doing, and remember why you began this process of change. There will always be obstacles which are only a temporary phase in your life, but future ambitions are something that's worthy to be struggled for. Your vision board will help you stay focused and motivated when challenges arise. 15. Inspire others. This means that your vision board is not personal. It can inspire other people as well. If people observe your commitment and the improvement, then they will get motivated to achieve their goals. Show your story, show your process, and make your vision board to be a light to other people's process. Sharing the love means you empower others, and consequent of that, you change the world for the better. 16. Practice gratitude. Namaste them ever so gently as you strive toward the dreams on your vision board with thankfulness. Start each day with the practices of being grateful for the things you already have in your life. Being thankful changes your perception from the lack in life to the many blessings that all people have, thus attending positive energy to a number of successes. For instance, appreciate some of the efforts they have tried to accomplish towards their goals. Be grateful for all the help you receive from others in your everyday life. Optimism will give you the realistic look which will further strengthen the visualization process in vision board. 17. Visualize success daily. It also means spending several minutes daily to imagine how life will be once you are achieving what is written on your vision board. Roll the curtains of your mind and see yourself experiencing those dreams. Savor the happiness, optimism, and fulfillment that goes with receiving deliverables from projects you accomplished. Visualization helps you stand firm in your ability to achieve. That is why it enhances one's belief system. The real beauty is that it's not just about visualizing the future, but about living it as if it is right now. This practice will untrain the way your thinking processes work in preparation for success. 18. Turn your vision into action. The vision board you create is simply one step. The real power comes from action. Always compound your dreams to palatable, achievable goals and strive to achieve them each day. For example, if your dream is to start a business, start with at least researching or writing a business plan. If you want to get fit, it's a good idea to take a pledge that you will be able to exercise daily and maintain a healthy diet. Every step you make, however minor it is, brings you closer to the kind of life you want to lead. 19. Stay open to change. People's priorities change in life, and so depending on life circumstances, goals may change as well. Do not be set in your lanes, so your vision board evolves with you. For instance, often unexpected interests or possibilities may be found during studying, which have not been considered before. It is important to let your vision board follow these changes because it represents a record of your transformation. Just bear in mind that if you grow, it is not a failing, but a success.